What's up, guys? It's Mo, and today's video is going to be my December 2020 flip through. I can't believe that I'm filming this on December 31st. I don't know when you're going to see this, but I can't believe that this year, 2020, is over. It's felt so long and also so short, and so many things have happened and have not happened, and it's been a year. I hope that, well, I'm just going to talk for a minute. I hope that you're doing okay. I hope that though this year was disappointing and frustrating and scary and terrifying and worrisome and a lot of other adjectives, I hope that you're okay. I hope that you're making it through. I hope that, I don't know. I hope that you're okay. I don't know what else to say, because okay is a very relative word, and I am thankful for all of you that followed me through 2020. 2020 was a ridiculous time for me, for everyone, as I know, and I hate to try to have a positive to everything, because positive vibes only is not how life works. You know what I mean? Like, I hate the forced, let's put a positive spin on it kind of thing. But I think also we have to practice gratitude. You know, like, yes, it was hard. I don't know. What was the silver lining? I don't know. People have lost individuals. You know, there have been tons of things that don't, in 2020, that don't lend themselves to a silver lining. But I hope that you're doing okay. You know, I hope that you are surviving. I hope that you are, I hope that you're okay. And there's nothing I can say to, I don't know, make 2020 any better. Hopefully there's nothing I can say to make 2020 any worse, but it's just, 2020 was hard, and I appreciate you, and you know, whatever you've gone through this year and whatever has happened this year, and you know, it's okay to have just survived. You know what I mean? So anyway, here's to a new year in 2020. I hope that we can toast to the new year and have greater things happen in 2021. So let's get to the flip through. I'm in my Notique planner. I haven't finished the setup yet. I do have some videos come in with some DIYs that I've done in this guy. So it's not a complete setup yet. I just have some stuff in here, some stickers from Rose Colored Days and Magical Sticker Co. This is from Rose Colored Days, Notique notepad. I don't know what I'm gonna put here. I'm thinking I have like a tortoise shell DIY video. I'm thinking I might put like this back there just to have something nice. I don't know. So let's go to December. First of all, in December, I went away from the dot grid. I printed out some inserts. I'll leave these linked below. I printed them out. They're designed to fit like an A5 wide or Erin Condren style planner. So I printed those out. I trimmed them a little bit to make them fit a classic size page and use them. I liked them, but I am liking going back to the dot grid. Here's a spoiler. Actually, you've seen these playing with me. I've liked going back to the dot grid and drawing my layouts. So printed those out. I'll leave those below. This was the first week of December, right after Thanksgiving. I started tracking meals just because I needed something in my sidebar, and I wanted to keep track of, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit, just a little, okay, meal planning and stuff. There's a shadow. What is that shadow from? Okay, I think I got it. Okay, this kit, no idea where it was from. Planning Choco, maybe? I don't know. I used some Rose Colored Days. It was like a gold hollow overlay things for the headers, and then some other gold overlays. I started using some scripts. I made some scripts videos will be linked in the description. Made some scripts, started using more of those. These are from La La Land printables, I think, and just started using some Christmas stuff. Oh, this, we got Play-Doh for Christmas, and I need to print more of these because I put Play-Doh, that we played with Play-Doh, in my planner, and I realized I was out of these. I was just using these from Papershire from the Facebook group as a generic, like, playtime type of character sticker marker, but I definitely need to get or print more for actually using Play-Doh. This, I think this was from Planner Pixe Co. Again, another Play-Doh. I shouldn't have used it. It was just generic playtime. But there's these in a free printable or free images in the Papershire Facebook group, and there's Play-Doh, and then there's like blocks, and then there's like Legos. He got Legos, so I need to use those too. But Planner Pixe Co. What is this called? Stickers, and then I use some rose-colored days. I think it's all rose-colored days, overlays and underlays and stuff. Yeah. This is in my shop. This like foiled Christmas stuff. So that's the second week. This was the week of my birthday, and my mom's birthday. I used some rose-colored day stuff. I also used the printable foil overlay from the 5/16 shop, and I will leave that link down below. There's also a DIY foiling video, so you can find that on my channel. I don't know. Again, I started using some scripts. I didn't even fill out Sunday there. This is the first day back I could drop off Marcus. They kind of had like limited hours at the daycare because of being understaffed. And yeah, so that was my last day of work. This is another La La Land printable sticker. I took a nap in my car on that day. I also have been trying to keep up with the little milestone things for Marcus. This week I marked that he'll play and color by himself for a while. We had sushi for my birthday on Friday, and he just smashed it. He loved it so much. Loved that sushi. He's having fun with doing Christmas activities. Yeah, this also was a printable from my shop. That's what this week was. This week, I think this was from White Rose Printables. I used this last year too, but I really loved it. This was Christmas week. We've got some Scribble Prints Co. foils, some of my foils, some Rose Colored Days foils, everything. This was Yule, Winter Solstice, so we made some stew for that day. I was off this week, so I got a lot of stuff done. See, there's playtime. And I could have used, I was going to put Play-Doh and put that Play-Doh sticker, and then I flipped to the back and I didn't have any more. And I started using day extenders on a couple of days just to add in more stuff. Oh, look, I used it, and I could have used it over here. Oh my gosh. So, but I used this because we did some creative stuff together. We were like coloring and making stuff together. So that is this. I did get an order from Magical Sticker Co. So that's what this sticker, the script sticker is. YouTube Binge, that's what this sticker is as well. This one is from Magical Sticker Co. So is that one. Christmas Eve, Wrap Presents. So is that one. It was in like a freebie from placing an order for Black Friday. And then this is the current week that we're in. I'll take this out. We are on Thursday. This is a printable from Petticoat Bandit. There's lots of glare on. And I'm using a lot of Howto, which, now that I'm thinking about it, let me go in here and take this. I have my Howtos and stuff, or my scripts and stuff in Howto in the back of my little folder here, and I'm gonna put down, I keep meaning to do this, but then I don't have scissors, and I was trying to do it in my car, and obviously I don't have scissors in my car, but I'm gonna trim up this from Scribble Prints Co. Grocery Run in like a blue, it's like a blue Howto, and I'm gonna put that here. But I'm using all Howto scripts that I have. So I got a bunch of stuff. This is like a blue Howto from Scribble Prints Co. when they did like a Black Friday sale. I don't know. I just purchased some other stuff, you know, some like not D-stash. Well, that's what they're doing this week is the D-stash boxes and like misfit pulls and stuff. But anything whatever was on sale, I grabbed it. Over the last couple of months / weeks from Rose Colored Days, Scribble Prints Co. So lots of holo. There's flip out boxes again. And then there's a quote box, and a quote box. I just put all the quotes on it. And yeah, so I'm using holo icons, holo holo scripts, anything that I have holo, I'm using it. I was on a binge, like, I need to build up my holo stash. And now I have so much holo. So it's been really fun for this. So this is, yeah, the last week of December. I'm filming this on here, and yeah, I'm trying to figure out if there's anything like important that's going on today or this week, but not really. I think my favorite spread actually of this, I mean, I love this Christmas spread. This printable and this like design, this clip art I love because it has this little boy right here. So I love this clip art, but I think my favorite spread has to be this one. This has to be also a, maybe not. No, this is not Planner Pixe Co. This is something else. I don't remember who this one came from, but I just love it. This has to be my favorite spread. I really do love this spread. So we'll be moving into dot grid paper again in 2021 in January, and I will try to have also a planner setup video for you guys as well once I get everything situated. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I am going to link the playlist of all of the videos from 2020 of my monthly flip throughs. I'm going to hopefully continue this into 2021 as well. So yeah, I will talk to you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.